Guys, this is Colin Flogstad, and today we'll be discussing what I got yesterday. As you can see, it's growing your own dinosaur in an egg. Well, growing dinosaur in an egg, and this is the egg, and this is the dinosaur. I believe it's an Ankylosaurus. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But it looks freaking awesome, as you can tell. Yeah, we all know that. Different languages and stuff. Yep. All that kind of stuff. And we can see the T-Rex. I think he's trying to eat that egg. I'm not very sure. It looks like he is. Wait, what's this? Oh, I'm assuming that's how you do it. Awkward. Anyway, it's attached. But yeah, that's my unboxing. Well, I wouldn't say I'll be after boxing really. Thank you. Peace.